Now let's do the quotient rule. The quotient rule is used to find the differentiation of the quotient of two functions. This is our formula, and it's d by dx with u divided by v is equals to v as it is, and then use differentiation. Bar is used to show that it's differentiation, minus u as it is with v bar by v square. So we'll do an example using this quotient rule. Now let's suppose our y is equals to x cubed by under root 3x square plus 1. In this case, our u is equals to x cubed and our v is equals to under root 3x square plus 1. Now we need to find a differentiation of y. So dy over dx is equals to v as it is, which is going to be under root 3x square plus 1, and a differentiation of u, which is 3x square, minus u as it is, which is x cubed, and the differentiation of v, which is 3x by under root 3x square plus 1. Now we have to find the square of v, which is under root 3x square plus 1. The square cuts out the under root, so it's just going to be 3x square plus 1. This is going to be our final answer of dy over dx. A little shortcut to find differentiation of an under root using chain rule is d by dx under root u, which is equals to 1 by 2 under root u times the differentiation of u, which is du by dx.